Hi there, so today we are going to practice making different tints and shades of colors, and we are going to do this by creating a space picture. So we are going to use chalk pastels, and to start off we need to make our light source. So I'm going to grab yellow chalk and I'm going to make my sun. So this is going to depend on where the light is coming from, and it'll depend on how you shade everything else in your picture. I'm going to go ahead and smudge mine so it looks nice and shiny and glowy. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my first planet. So I'm going to grab this light green color, and your planets can hang off the side of your page. They don't all have to fit perfectly on there. And I'm going to color it all in with this green color. So the whole planet's going to be green. Now at this point it's going to look pretty flat, but what I'm going to do next is I am going to start adding my highlights and my shadows to make it look more 3D. So to make my highlights, I'm going to use white chalk to lighten my green, and that is going to go on the side closest to the sun. Now, if you look at this mug that I have, the side that the sun is hitting from the window is much lighter, and the side that isn't closest to the sun is darker. The same thing is going to happen for these planets. So I'm going to go ahead and add white to the side closest to the sun, and I'm going to need to add quite a bit of white to actually make a difference. I'm going to do a few layers of white, and then I'm just going to use one finger to blend it in. And when I blend it, I'm making sure that I blend in a rounded way so that it goes along with the shape of my planet. So I'm using the curve of the side of my planet to blend it, and that's going to help add that 3D spherical shape to my planet. Now, once I have that all blended in, I'm going to add black to the side that's farthest away from the sun. And the black is so dark that you really don't need to add a lot. So I'm going to add a little bit to the corner, and then again I'm going to use one finger, and I am going to blend it in a rounded way so that it goes along with the shape of my planet. And now you can see that my white fades to green, and then my green fades to that darker area with the black. Now I'm going to continue doing this, and you are going to create 5 planets. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create different sizes and different colors. And each time when I do this, I'm starting with my highlights, the side closest to the sun, and then I'm doing my shadow, the side farthest from the sun. Now, depending on where your planet is on the picture, that's going to change which side the highlight is on and which side the shadow is on. Once I have all of my planets made, I'm going to go ahead and add any other details I want. So I'm going to add some craters, thinking about where the sun is hitting as well. I'm also going to add some rings to some of my planets. And then to add shooting stars, you can just make a little dot of chalk and smudge it. So go ahead and add some details that'll make your picture a little bit more unique and stand out. And then after that, you'll be all done.